Okay, so we have no questions, alright? So now let's talk about the rules. Since we are our team and you are part of this event, we have this rule that event manager, of course, who is Ruby, Mary, and Shara will go into that. And then we have the event coordinator, which is the event coordination will do this. Mary will go into explain the event coordinator.
Okay, so about the event coordinator is the venue coordinator. So when the venue coordinator handles venue arrangements and logistics. So basically, she will handle the arrangements about the venue. Then we have the marketing
Yes,
specialist.
a marketing specialist, the financial manager, client representative, sorry, the vendor and suppliers. So the marketing specialist is
It promotes the events and ensures attendee participation. So we will market it in TikTok or in all social media platforms. Next is
financial manager.
financial manager. So he or she will manage the budgeting and ensures cost efficiency.
Next is the client representative.
Okay, so this one, he or she will represent the organization that hosting the event. So he or she will give a speech and he will host the event. So lastly, we
The
have
vendors and
so
suppliers.
the vendor suppliers. They will handle the catering, the services, and of course the decorations. So
Any questions? So do you who wants to be the venue coordinator here in our company event, sorry. So April will take the venue coordinator. So any questions about what you want what you do to event coordinator? Any questions on that? Okay, so next is the marketing specialist. Who will be looking into the marketing specialist?
okay, so it's like
Gab and what's your name now? Shanda and Shan. Okay, ma'am. So next is the financial manager. Who will go to? What's your name again, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. So next is the client representatives. So the client representative, I will go into client representative on this upcoming event. So next, lastly, is the vendor and supplier.
I will be handling the vendor or supplier.
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much. So any concerns, any clarifications? Okay, so any concerns, any clarifications? None so far. So we are all good today, so ready?
So with this, we are going to end our meeting. So thank you everyone and have a good day.
Thank you so much.
Hello, good afternoon. Yes, it's 8:30 o'clock. This is from the international conference. The estimated number of attendees will be 30. VIP will be 10, and the speakers are 2 only. So total of 42 persons. Yes. So the technical requirements will be needed are the AV equipment and internet bandwidth since we'll put it online. Yes. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Our final poster for our event. It's okay for you. But the main reason for our event, then this is our final invitation, the date, time, and the location of our conference. For you, it's good. Good job.
We need to start the conference budget. Do we have an estimate of the overall allocation?
Yes, the organizing committee has allocated 100 to 200,000. These cover revenues, yes, catering speaker fees, travel reimbursements, marketing and miscellaneous expenses. And let's break down into categories.
Sounds good. Based on the past conferences, about 30% typically goes to the venue and AV, 25% catering, speaker fees, and the rest for travel, marketing, and contingencies.
That works, but let's mark 5% specifically for contingencies since we're dealing with international logistics.
Hi John, I'd like to book a catering for an event next weekend. Around 100 people would like a mix of finger foods, a main course, and some vegetarian options. Yes, soft drinks, coffees, and a simple dessert like brownies or a fruit platter. Great, thank you.
Girl, we have a problem. What is it? The catering services that we booked just got cancelled due to the conflicting schedule and lack of supplies. Gosh, I can't wait. The conference is in a week, and we have at least 42 attendees expecting meals and refreshments. So, let's contact Mary na lang. Go. Oh, I've received your message. What's the problem?
Tell her.
The catering services that we booked just got cancelled due to the conflicting schedule and lack of supplies.
So, do you have any plan B about this?
Yes, I have an idea. I reach out my friends that handles catering services. I'll inform them right away.
Okay, that's good.
Everyone, thank you for joining us today. I am Jeremy Rilberaba and I will be your speaker today. And today, I'll be guiding through us this session. We're here to discuss the import and export of the conference event of goods and products. So in our goal, it's not just to cover the key points, but also to reflect on how we make this event truly memorable and successful for everyone to involve. So as we go through the process today, we'll be paying special attention on how part of the event contributes to all over the experience. So the purpose is to ensure that we're not just completing the task, but also creating the impactful and enjoyable experience that leaves lasting impressions. So we'll leave some time at the end open discussion. So please, you feel free to share your thoughts, ideas, and or any concerns you might have. Or our goal today is to collaborate and come away with a clear and make this event a real session. So any concerns, any clarification, guys? None so far. So please, you feel free to share your thoughts, ideas, and or any concerns you might have. Or our goal today is to
collaborate, and come away with a clear and make this event a real session. So any concerns, any clarification, guys? None so far. So thank you so much for joining this conference or this event, and thank you so much. Your efforts and your are appreciated. Thank you so much, guys.
So, we had a good day, everyone. We had a successful event. So, despite our challenges and our problems, I'm still going to ask your feedback about what happened or problems na arise natin, na encounter natin for our event. Para in the future, we can make it better. Diba, guys? So, let's ask you about our problem na natin.
We encountered some problems, but we resolved it by finding other suppliers.
Yes. We
And-
contact my friend, which handles catering services, and they suggested buffet style, which I grabbed it.
Thank you, kay, of course, na solve na to siya na problem. Next is our financial. So, was there any problems or anything?
We don't have any problem with money. It's only
Ah, okay.
and it turns out na sobrang
So we are planning to divide the remaining money to your
Okay, papunta ko rin siya sa team na